What's up everyone, welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over getting started with YouTube advertising. So it's going to be a basic overview for how to get set up with your Google Ads account with a YouTube brand channel and how to create some different video advertisements so you can get started with YouTube ads. I had somebody reach out to me saying they don't even know where to get started, so this would be the perfect video for somebody and just needs some of the steps to get started with some video advertising. So number one is going to be to create a Google Ads account. So if you didn't already know, your YouTube advertising is all going to be run in a Google Ads account. So you need to get started with a Google account if you don't have one already. So you can create a Google account from this screen. But if you go to ads.google.com and you don't have an account already, you can get started by just clicking Start Now. Now, one thing to keep in mind is if you are just getting started with Google Ads, they'll give you $500 in free ad credit when you spend $500. So it might be something that's worthwhile for you if you plan on spending more than $500. So you want to create your account. And once you create your account, you're going to come to a page that looks like this. So in my recent Google Ads tutorial for 2022, I went over how to create a new Google Ads account. If you want to watch that, it's in the very beginning, the first couple of minutes. But since I'm not creating a new Google Ads account today, one thing that's going to happen when you are creating a new Google Ads account is you're going to see this option at the very bottom here, create an account without a campaign. So they're going to automatically bring you into this new campaign screen where you could create a YouTube advertising campaign. But what you want to do is click on create an account without a campaign so that you can make sure you're in a full version of Google Ads. So if we come back over here and we look at our 6 steps, number one, create your Google Ads account. Make sure you're using the full version of Google Ads. When they're telling you to create a new campaign, skip that process, set up your billing, and then get to the main page of your Google Ads account. So once you get to your main page, it should look something like my Google Ads account over here, except you're not going to have any of these campaigns set up. So it's going to be kind of a bare bones version of this page. So once you have that all set up, the next thing you want to do is create a YouTube channel. And you want to create a YouTube channel for your brand. And I have the link for how to do that here. So in the YouTube help section, you can see here they have sign up and manage your account. So I'll put this link in the video description, and I'll specifically put this link in the video description as well. So what you want to do is use your existing Google account that you just used to create your Google Ads account and create your YouTube channel. All you need to do is go to YouTube and create a new channel. So it's very easy to do. And what you want to do is create a channel with a business or another name. You can see here learning more about brand accounts. So you're going to take your personal Google account and you'll create a new channel, and you just want to follow this step-by-step guide to get started. So once you do these 2 steps, you should have a Google Ads account and you should also have a YouTube channel. So you can see here I have my YouTube channel for Beachfront Decor, very easy to set up, and I started uploading some videos. So if we come down here, number 3 is going to be to create video advertisements. So if you want to run YouTube video ads, you need to have video advertisements. If you're not someone who consistently creates videos and understands how to create video ads, this is something you want to outsource to a professional. So it's obviously going to cost you money, but running high quality video ads is very important if you want to have a successful campaign. So this is where you want to outsource this process. And there's a lot of different ways to outsource this, whether you want to go with a video creation agency, you could potentially use a video software. There's a bunch out there for how to create videos. But in order to get started, you do need videos to run. And you can see here, I have some 30-second videos. Now, if we click through, it says 31 seconds here. If we click through to any of them, they're all 30 seconds. So I have a couple of 30-second videos. I have some 6-second videos. And then here are some 15-second videos. When you're first getting started, I would highly recommend creating a couple different 30-second videos and a couple different 15-second videos at the very least for your first campaign. It helps to have more videos because what Google Ads is going to do is rotate your top performing videos and serve whichever ones are giving you the best results. Hey everyone, thank you for your support watching my videos over the years. If you want to continue to support my channels while also using some of the best marketing tools, you can try either SEMrush or SpyFu if you haven't already. Both are great PPC and SEO tools. If you use the link at the bottom here for either one, they are affiliate links, so it will help support my channel and support Surfside PPC. If you're not interested, no problem. Back to the video. So let's come back over here, and number 4 is create a landing page on your website. So there's going to be a place where you're sending traffic to, and this is where you want to highlight your promotion. This is where when people do click through to interact and engage with your advertisements, you need to make sure that your landing page matches the offer in your video. So if you're offering some type of software, for example, and someone clicks through to your website and it's not clear, this is where you purchase the software right here. Here are the benefits. Get started today. That's what you want your landing page to look like. So in my case, I have this beachfront decor Halloween sale. My videos all say save 20% until October 15th and shop beachfront decor for coastal Halloween decorations. Pretty simple video advertising. And if somebody clicks through my advertisement, what they're going to be doing is going right to this page here where it says save 20% on all Halloween and fall decorations through October 15th. Now, I've said in previous videos, this is not a real promotion. I'm just using this for the purpose of these videos. So you just want to make sure when people do get to your website, they can see that offer right away. And when they get to your website, you want to make sure if I'm highlighting beach and Halloween decorations, that the page people go to, it's going to be all fall and beach type Halloween decorations. So these are all very relevant products for what people would be interested in if they are interested in my video advertisements. Now, once you create your landing page, what you want to do is set up conversion tracking in Google Ads. This is probably the most difficult part of this entire process. Now, if you're running a Shopify website or if you're running a WordPress website, there's a lot of different guides out there. If it's WooCommerce or any of these different websites, there's a lot of different guides out there for how to set up conversion tracking in Google Ads. So you want to follow those guides if you're using a specific website. That's always where you want to start. Otherwise, you need to understand how you're tracking conversions and what actions you want people to take. For example, if I come here and let's just say there's a page on my website, maybe it's an order confirmation page. So if somebody comes to beachfrontdecor.com and let's say they place an order from me and they end up going to this beachfrontdecor.com/order confirmation. What you would want to do is make sure you're tracking every time someone reaches that order confirmation page, because that means you just got a new customer. And you can track that customer all the way back to the very first click that they ever clicked on one of your advertisements in Google Ads, or even back to people who have viewed your YouTube video advertisements. So you want to make sure you're tracking conversions on your website. And the way to do that is to go to the conversion tracking option, your conversions page in Google Ads. You're going to see that under tools and settings, and under measurement, you're going to click on conversions. This is where you do all of your conversion tracking. And you're going to come to a page that looks like this. And since I don't have conversion tracking set up yet, what I would want to do is create a new conversion action. Let's say a conversion on my website. You can also track conversions on an app. You can track phone call conversions, and you can even import conversions from different sources as well. So let's just say we want to track things that are happening on our website. We'll go to beachfrontdecor.com. We'll click on scan. And what you're going to see right here is create conversion actions automatically from website events. So let's just say we have every time someone purchases from me, the URL starts with or URL contains. Let's say URL contains, and we'll use our same example from before, order confirmation. So we want to make sure our URL contains order confirmation, because every time someone reaches that page, we're going to say they just purchased something from us. So we're going to click on add. And now you're going to see it created this conversion goal. We have event details every time a page load for a page that contains order confirmation. So it's just going to be that one page on our website. That means someone purchased something from us. Now, if we scroll down, what we can do is click on save and continue. Now, what you're going to see at the top here, when your website was scanned, a Google tag wasn't detected. It's essential for conversion measurement. If you know it's there, double check the code or use Tag Assistant to troubleshoot. So what you would want to do is add the Google tag to your website. I would recommend using Google Tag Manager. I have removed all of these from my website just for the purpose of these videos. And what you're going to see down here is copy the Google tag below and paste it directly in your website's code or email instructions to your webmaster. So what you can do is email instructions here or edit your website code. We can copy this and we want to paste it in between the header, immediately after the opening header tag on our website. So I have a WordPress website, so I could do this through WordPress. I'm not going to go over this in this example. So what we're going to say is, if we refresh the page, we have our conversion action here. So right now down here, you'll see status unverified, and you can see they haven't verified our tag yet. Usually it takes up to 3 hours after someone visits your page containing the tag. So once you add that tag to your website, go to that page and Google Ads will be able to verify that they're able to track this page as a conversion. Now, there's a lot of different ways to set up conversion tracking, so just make sure you're able to track your key performance indicators. Once you've completed all of those steps, you are ready to create your YouTube ads campaign. Now, I know this seems complicated, but the main thing is you need to have a Google Ads account, you need to have a YouTube channel, you need to have video ads that you're running, you need to have a landing page on your website that matches your video advertising campaign. So if you're planning on running a video advertising campaign, let's just say for Black Friday, maybe you're just running a holiday sale, what you can do is make sure you have a landing page on your website and you want to make sure that reflects your promotion. Conversion tracking is vital because Google Ads will use those conversions to improve the performance of your campaign. It's the number one tip that I have for anybody who's using Google Ads is make sure you're using conversion tracking. Make sure you're able to track every single one of your key performance indicators and how valuable they are to your business because it's only going to help you spend your budget in Google Ads. Last but not least, we want to create our YouTube Ads campaign. So what we want to do is we're going to come back over to Google Ads and we're going to come to our campaign screen here. So from our campaign screen, what we can do is scroll down here and create a new campaign. Either click here or click on the plus sign right here to create a new campaign. And what I would recommend doing is choosing an objective of sales or leads depending on whatever type of conversion you have. In my case, I did purchases, so I'm going to do sales. So we'll choose sales and our conversion goal is going to be purchases. Now, if you'll see here, I have my conversion action that I just set up. It's inactive because it hasn't been verified yet, but we can still create this campaign. So we're going to click on continue. And what you want to do next is choose video. So reach and engage viewers on YouTube and across the web. So if we click on video, we're going to try to drive conversions. Now there's other campaign types that you can run. So you can create a campaign without a goals guidance. And if we click on video here, you're going to see some of these different campaign subtypes. You can choose target frequency, so reach the same people more than once with different ad types, non-skippable in-stream ads, share your entire message with up to a 15-second non-skippable in-stream ad, drive conversions, so that's the one that we're going to be doing, ad sequencing, tell your story by showing ads in a particular sequence to individual viewers using some of these different advertising types. Now a custom video campaign, what you can do is run some of these different ad formats and you could either use target CPM bidding, depending on the video ad formats that you choose, or you can use maximum cost per view bidding. And in those cases, you're really just bidding for views and impressions on your video. So in our case, we want to drive conversions. So let's come back up here. We're going to choose sales. We're going to choose purchases as our conversion goal, the one that we just set up. Every time someone reaches our order confirmation page, after they click through to our Halloween decorations page or any page on our website. And if we come over here, we're going to choose video, we're going to drive conversions, and we're going to click on continue. Now, I'm not going to go through every single individual detail for creating a new campaign. What I want to show you is you can name your campaign at the top here. For our bid strategy, we're going to be using maximize conversions, or you could use target cost per acquisition, and you can choose how much a conversion is worth for your business. And what you're trying to do is drive conversions for less. So if a conversion is worth $100 for your business, you want to drive conversions, let's say at $25 per conversion. And what you want to see is how low you can get your target CPA so you can drive as many conversions as possible and ultimately drive more revenue for your business. In this case, I'm going to use maximize conversion. So we'll choose that. Next is going to be budget and dates. You want to choose your budget amount. Let's say I want to run it at $100 per day. So start dates and end dates. Today is the 12th. So if I want to choose my end date, let's just say I want to run it until October 12th since my promotion runs through the 15th. So we'll end it on the 12th. So it gives people some time to purchase whatever they want to on those last few days. So we keep scrolling down here to networks. So if you just want to run on YouTube, you actually can't deselect networks for conversion campaigns. So we're going to be running on the YouTube search results. Ads will appear next to search results on YouTube. YouTube videos, ads can appear on YouTube videos, channel pages, and the YouTube homepage, and video partners on the display network. So people who have Google Ads enabled on their website, you can actually run your YouTube ads alongside there. So we're going to scroll down here, location targeting. You want to choose the locations to target. Wherever your customers are, that's where you want to choose your location targeting. Coming down here, language targeting. So you want to select the languages your customers speak. Content exclusions, so you can choose from 3 different inventory types. Limited is going to exclude a lot of sensitive content. Expanded is going to show it on way more sensitive content. Standard, somewhere in the middle. I usually keep this on standard, so we'll keep it right there. Excluded types and labels, so you can exclude embedded YouTube videos on websites or live streaming videos or both. And you can exclude select digital content labels. So I usually just exclude these two and exclude content not yet labeled, and then we'll collapse that. Ad extensions, so you can create site link extensions for your advertisement. So what you want to do is enter site link text here. 4 or more is recommended. You want to link to relevant pages on your website. So what I could do is link to, maybe if I have a page with fall decor, I can link to a Christmas decorations page. I can link to just my shop, and maybe I can find something else where another relevant page where you want to make sure you're driving people to pages on your website that drive value for your business. So we'll come back over here. You want to enter your site links, your description lines, your final URL. What I want to get to is you could choose devices, you could choose frequency capping, creating your ad group. So your first ad group, you want to name it here. And what you can do is choose some different targeting. So they're going to use optimized targeting because that's going to help you get more conversions by using information such as your landing page and assets. So Google Ads is going to look at the advertisements that I'm running. They're going to look at my landing page, and they're going to look at my ad copy, and they're going to come up with a set of people that they think are going to be the most likely to convert based on what it is I'm promoting. Now, what we can also do is under audience segments here, and I've gone over this in some of the other videos, you can create custom segments. And what I like to do is name the segment and then people who search for any of these terms on Google. So I can say anyone who is searching for Halloween beach decor, Halloween coastal decor, and enter a bunch of relevant keywords here. So you're going to see a lot of different ideas here. So pumpkin decor, I could just do coastal beach house decor. So people who are searching for these different terms on Google, they're the ones that are going to be the most likely to see my advertisements. So you want to enter as many relevant Google search terms here based on what you're offering on your landing page. So for me, it would be obviously beach Halloween decorations, beach Halloween pumpkins, beach pumpkins, coastal pumpkins, anything that I can find related to Halloween and the beach. I'm going to add that search term there, click on save, and then we'd have this audience to target. In this case, I'm going to click on cancel. And what we're going to do is you could also use your data or similar segments if you're running remarketing campaigns. We're just going to come over here to the in-market segments, and we're going to do people who are looking for Halloween items and decorations. So that's who we want to target, that in-market segment. We'll keep it pretty wide open. And then we're using optimized targeting. So it's going to help our overall conversion results by using optimized targeting. And then I would recommend using your data, using custom segments, using in-market segments. Try to find a mix of the most relevant people who would be interested in what you are promoting. So now our YouTube video. So what you want to do is I'm going to use this 30-second video first. We're going to copy this here, paste it, and it's going to pull up that video right away. Now we're running this video as an advertisement. So you want to enter your final URL first, where you're sending traffic to. This is where a landing page on our website, that's where you're going to be sending traffic to. So we're going to come over here, we're going to copy our final URL, and we're going to paste it for our final URL. Next is going to be a display URL. So it's going to be beachfrontdecor.com/ and maybe we could just do Halloween. Our call to action. So there's a bunch of call to actions you can choose from, and you want to use a call to action for whatever action you want people to take. For mine, it's shop now. And then we get a headline, a long headline, and a description line. And what you can also do is upload a companion banner, which shows on computers only. If we click on upload an image, you're going to see 300 by 60 pixels. So that's how you create your first video ad. Now, once you have your first ad created, we click to create a new video ad, and you're going to see these are responsive video ads. So we're going to create a new video ad down here, and let's choose one of our 15-second videos. So we'll paste that video URL, and it's going to pull it up immediately. So it's a 14-second video. So we can run this responsive ad alongside our other one. And you can see here, as you go through the process of creating your advertisement, you can see the way that your video ad is going to look. So long headline, description, we have our brand name, Beachfront Decor, our call to action, and then you can see our video here. So what you want is your call to action. So somebody's watching your video, they click to shop now, and then they go and they take advantage of whatever promotion you have. What I would want to do is, if this is a real sale, is at the top of my website, I would make sure that I have save 20% on all Halloween and fall decorations. And then I also want to make sure that's reflected around my website as well. So when people come in here, they know that they can take advantage of this sale that they just saw through a YouTube advertisement. So once you create your videos, you have your targeting set, you are ready to launch your campaign. So obviously I don't have all my long headline, description lines. You need to fill out all of that and then click on create campaign. And what you're gonna have is a YouTube advertising campaign that is using conversion tracking, driving traffic to the landing page on your website, and then running the video advertisements that you uploaded to your YouTube channel, and everything is happening in your Google Ads account. So this is how to get started with YouTube advertising. You can run a lot of different formats. I'm gonna have a YouTube advertising course coming out. I'm gonna have an extensive YouTube advertising tutorial coming out. So you can watch all of those videos and get the best out of your YouTube advertising. If you have any questions about this, please leave in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.